Get it. Go get it.
Where's your watermelon? This is the intruder alert. Finding the invader in our kitchen. Just push it. Can you push it so it moves? Yesterday we caught him barking at something in the kitchen and it was the watermelon. Get it, Box. Get it. Get that watermelon. Get it.
Oh, sorry, Jekyll. I'm sorry.
Get that watermelon. Get it. He's got the vine on it there. He's trying to pull off. Get that watermelon. Get it. Get it. Get that watermelon. Get it, Box. Get it. Can you go roll it again?
You're starting up a
Or start.
Plastic.
Get it. Get that thing. Jack could care less. Oh well, whatever. Are you gonna ever cut it and open the inside? Whatever. Get it, Box.